So guys, we've done some sports analysis today. I'm just wondering what topic it is you covered and how you went about doing it. So Jamie, do you want to give us a little bit first?
Yeah, so we covered boxing today. We were basically we were using measurements such as like how accurate you were, if you were using strength over accuracy, it's like sequences and combinations.
Okay, so Ellie, how did you measure how well each other did?
By the power and by the combination of how it was laid out, how we done it.
Yeah. With regards to the tools you used to give each other feedback, was it just verbal? Did you do anything in particular?
Just used verbal and written feedback.
Okay, so there was no technology involved?
No.
Okay, that's fine. Would you use technology in future, do you think?
Yeah, it would probably be. It was just purely the fact that whilst one of us was doing it, the other one was holding the bag because it was bouncing around, so we couldn't.
Okay. So you'd maybe use somebody else in future as well. Good stuff, but you were able to verbally and visually write some stuff down, yeah? So, Ellie, what were you expecting to find before Jamie actually took part? So not how we did, what were you expecting from your experience, because you've done all this stuff before, what were you expecting to find Jamie's performance to be like?
Not at a good knowledge, so say if he asked for something, he'd be slow at reacting to it, and it wouldn't be accurate, his hands would be down, and he didn't really.
So would you put him high, medium or low level? What you expecting to see?
Low.
Okay. Jamie, so obviously you know Ellie's done a little bit of kickboxing in a time. What were you expecting to find from Ellie?
Expecting it to be medium and up, if not hitting the higher levels.
So from the test that you were doing, what did you think you were going to see in terms of what you expected?
Good knowledge of what she was being asked to do, and being able to react to it, not having to think about what she was doing.
Okay. So then we performed the test, Ellie. So what did you find when you were watching Jamie? What were the things that you noticed or picked up on?
That he used more power over accuracy, so he was putting more power into it than making the shot hit his target. So he's just throwing power off his arms. This resulted in getting tired quickly, your hands start dropping, which then that's a low guard when your hands start to drop.
Yeah. So what advice did you give him? How did you help to improve him?
Not put as much power in, to make sure that to put power in, but not as much, to make sure the shots are more accurate, hit the point that you want to hit, rather than just throwing your arms everywhere.
Okay. Jamie, so what did you find from Ellie's performance?
She was really accurate with the punches she was throwing. She wasn't as fast, but they were hitting the target, and she kept a constant power with her punches. None were really tired or slow punch. They were all at constant level. So
obviously you found that she was at quite a high level of what you were expecting to see. What advice did you give her then, obviously with her being quite good at it? How?
Just to maintain the level that she's at, and then if there's anything to work on, it would be putting a bit faster punches in, if anything.
So was there any body shape things that she needed to do? Are you happy with everything? She had good technique, yeah?
Yeah, footwork was good.
So with regards to Jamie's technique, Ellie, apart from obviously the power side, did he have good technique? Was he square on, side on?
Yeah, we had the stance okay. His technique was good.
So after you give him them pointers, when he did it again, did he improve second time round? So what did you notice more second time round?
That he was more hitting, at his face level, when you've got an opponent in front of you, you hit at their head height. So, and he weren't just, start hitting down. So he made that adjustment that I told him to do, and thought about it.
Was he?
And he didn't use as much power, he weren't belting it in, he was making sure that it hit.
So was he constant then?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you find that improved you, Jay, them pointers?
Yeah, it made it less tiring with the relation to the punches.
Okay, good stuff. Thanks, guys.